Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about our solution. I'm going to briefly share the background behind it. And at the end, I'm going to make a simple invitation. We help innovators take the long distance that exists between where they are and where they want to be and dramatically reduce it. We do it by making sure that everything is aligned to the right strategic direction. And we use our tool called EVI and our approach called Think Like a Machine. EVI is a tool that allows you to create an image of your business project in a way that it becomes easier to achieve clarity, make the tough decisions, and reduce the stress that usually comes with the process of planning a new business. What you see here is the blank canvas. This basic model shows you how Think Like a Machine looks like, and it explains how we see business in general. Let me walk you through it. Any business is an architecture of things and events put together to facilitate the exchange of value between clients and team. Clients are lifted from a market sandbox, processed through a sales funnel, and then placed inside this success pipeline. Similarly, talents are lifted from a market, processed through a recruitment funnel, and placed into this success pipeline. This same model can be applied to any company. For example, here's my own EVI. This is Think Like a Machine today, January 2020. We are a small team that offers a tool along with some optional training, which are delivered through a layer of a few specialized services. We seek to have, at once, one corporate client and a small cohort of entrepreneurs. Our funnel is made of 4 steps, and we are currently targeting these 2 people, the innovators themselves, be it an entrepreneur building their own company or an intrapreneur working inside an existing organization. As well, we target the people who support innovators. This could be either program directors inside incubators and accelerators, or innovation directors inside a corporation. If we zoom into the innovator, we see the picture of a real person, in this case, myself, the first success case of EVI. Then, we have a model to understand how innovators approach something and walk away from something so that we can plan for attraction. If we zoom out to the big picture again, and then we zoom into our market environment, you see how we plan marketing in a visual and detailed way, making explicit every single object and effort we plan to put out there. We could click into each of these touch points, solve it visually, and make sure it's fully aligned to the business strategy, but I won't get into that detail here. I am just showing you how this level looks, how it helps us get a clear idea of our plan, how every piece relates to each other, and how they help us move prospects into our funnel, which looks like this. This is how we onboard clients. This is how we deliver. And this is how we measure satisfaction. Now, based on previous success cases, we know for a fact that we can help you turn a business idea into an actual product definition in just 1 day. Turn a business idea into a website definition in just 3 hours. And when tested to the extreme, we see how in just 15 minutes, we can go from business plan to the draft of a pitch deck, aligning a new team, getting it ready to present their project. To give you context behind EVI and Think Like a Machine, I need to tell you a bit about myself. I am an innovation facilitator inspired by artificial intelligence. This company, the approach, and the tool are the result of combining over 20 years of career in different domains of design within different industries, playing different leadership roles, either as an entrepreneur, a team player, a manager, or a director. In this mix, there's also over 8 years of personal research in domains related to artificial intelligence and natural intelligence. All the lessons I've learned through successes, failures, experiences, research, experiments, other people's examples, everything is combined into this tool and this framework. I have now an awesome team of co-founders who are gonna help me take Think Like a Machine to the next level. And to get there, I'm looking for early adopters ready to get their EVI. My invitation is simple. Go to thinklikeamachine.com and book a free strategy session with me. In this session, you can share in full privacy and confidentiality the challenges you're experiencing or the opportunity you want to pursue. I'll explain better how this works and even show you some extra examples, and together we can get aligned on how to exchange value in a way that makes absolute sense. Cheers.